Hello and welcome to my new milkshake tutorial. In this milkshake tutorial, we will do a Charmander milkshake. And for this tutorial, you will need some vanilla ice cream, some strawberries, some pineapples and mango, one banana, some chocolate, some white chocolate, some mixed crumbles, some sweets, some white chocolate for toppings and milk. First add the strawberries, then add the pineapples and mango. And after you added that, you can also add then the white chocolate and the vanilla ice cream. Then add the bananas, and after you added the bananas, you can add the milk. I highly recommend using bananas for this milkshake because it makes it more thicker, and you will see later why. And yeah, add it all in a blender and add it to one glass. I added some whipped cream on top of the milkshake because then your toppings, they last better on the milkshake. So I added some sweets, some white chocolate, some mixed crumbles, and yeah, this is the milkshake. And it's easy and simple, and I hope you enjoy it, and let me know down below what you think of the milkshake, and of course, enjoy.